right, I noticed there's some confusion on moving from mixed fractions to improper fractions and from improper fractions to mixed fractions. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to leave this little video up so that you have this as a reference. When you are moving from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, you need to, 1, multiply down, 2, and you add up, 3, keep denominator. Okay, so first step, multiply down, then we're going to add up. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 more is 13, so you have 13. And then you're going to keep the denominator, so the denominator here is 2, so it would be 13 over 2, that's 13 halves. Okay, let's look here. Same concept, we're going to multiply down, add up. 6 times 4 is 24, add 1 more is 25. We keep the denominator, which is 4, which is 25 fourths. Okay? That is from your mixed number to improper. You're going to use this when you're looking at your homework. When your homework gives you this 8 and 2/3 and 7 and 1/2, you have to get that into an improper fraction before you can work the problem. All right. Sometimes after you have divided your fractions, you get an improper fraction. You need to make sure you write your improper fraction as a mixed number. How you do that is you see how many times your denominator goes into your numerator. So working this one, I have a 6. I'm going to put 24 in the house. 6 goes into 24, 4 whole times. So 6 times 4 is 24, so we're going to subtract that off, which gives you a remainder of 0. So 24 6 is actually 4 wholes. Okay. Now let's look at 23 thirds. Same concept. You're going to take 3 outside your house, and you're going to put 23 inside your house. Now we got to figure out how many times 3 goes into 23. Okay. So 3 cannot go into 2. And so now we need to look at 3 into 23. We know 3 times 7 gives us 21. So we're going to subtract 21, which gives us 2. 3 cannot go into 2, so this is our remainder. So we're going to move through clockwise, and we can write this as 7 and 2 thirds. Okay? I hope that helps on your moving from mixed to improper and from improper to mixed. Now, we're going to look at one homework problem from today. So, when we're dividing fractions, there are 3 rules. First rule is keep. Second rule is change. And third rule is flip. Okay? So, looking at my problem, I see I have a mixed number that I need to make into an improper fraction before I can do anything. So I'm going to multiply down, add up. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 more gives me 19 halves. Okay? I'm just going to rewrite my problem to keep it nice and neat. So first, now I can actually work my problem. The first one is to keep. I'm going to keep my first number. So I have 29 fifths. I'm going to change my division sign to a multiplication sign. And then I'm going to flip this last fraction to get to 19. Now, you can look at the numbers and see if there's anything that goes in equally and cross out, or you can go ahead and multiply across. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply across. And you get 58 95ths.